So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a text box to your Keynote presentation. So it's super simple. Once Keynote's opened up, go to the top here. In between chart and shape, it says text. Press on text right here. And by default, that'll add a text box. So if you want to make it larger or smaller, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to type in a text box just like this. Once you press on it, the options on the right hand side will open up, and you can do whatever you want to it, right? You can change it to go to the middle. You can change the font size, making it larger or smaller. Whatever the case may be, that's how you guys can do it. So very straightforward, very simple, but that's how to add a text box to your presentation here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.